Namaste friends. In this video I'll talk about what all you have to take care while submitting your proofs. So this is an yearly process. At the beginning of the year you make some declarations. You make declarations that you will be investing. Like for example, at the beginning of the year you decided that you will be investing under PPF, and then for that only you have to submit that document when you get notification from your employer. This usually takes place in the month of December, Jan. So that time you have to submit. Accordingly your tax would be calculated. So be very careful. Non-submission of some documents may lead to like a deletion of some investments. So these are the basic points you have to take care. First you have to update your family member details. Ways to submit the proofs are like different in different organizations. In my company it was through Grey HR portal. So we used to send emails to employees and they were getting links. Through that link they used to submit all their proofs. But wherever you are submitting, you take care of these things. Give family member details. This will be relevant in case of life insurance premium, medical insurance and other expenses in which details are required. Like for senior citizen, that limit is different, and for other than senior citizen limit is different. So you have to update the family member details. Second thing I have seen people committing these mistakes. For HRA they submit rent receipts and rent agreement, but they forget to submit the PAN of the owner. So if your rent for the whole year exceeds 1 lakh or is 1 lakh, you have to give PAN of the owner. That is mandatory. And see, if you have taken joint loan for like house, then you have to give declaration that what for like how much percentage you are paying and how much percentage that other person is paying. So that to that extent only it would be allowed to you. Okay. And now see, if you have made donations under ETG, so some people I have seen they don't submit only the details of this donee. So in that case that won't be allowed, it would be deleted. So these are the basic things you have to take care while submitting the proofs. First you download your form 12BB, then you'll get idea, because what happens now at the beginning people ask that how to reduce tax, what all shall I submit. So they make like declarations for which they are actually not planning to invest, but they make to like avoid higher TDS and all. So you see what all you have declared, and if you have documents to back this investments and declaration, then you submit. And you can take advice from a tax consultant that because 3 months I think December it's 11 December, so you have like three and a half months to go. You can still make investment to save some taxes. And it is like advised, if you don't have investment, so go with new regime at the time of filing the return. Now you cannot switch the return, you cannot switch the regime, but at the time of return filing you can do so. So these are the basic things which as per my experience I have shared. You can add your own points and then submit the documents. Thank you, friends. Hope you find this video relevant. Thank you.